So my name's Rachael, I'm from Durbz Customs. I've just moved over here from Adelaide and I've been a spray painter for about 16 years, started when I was about 15. This pedal car is for Oxitec. The boys over there, their workshop burnt down last year just before Christmas and they lost everything. So Oxitec themselves, they're a powder coating company and they do anything from automotive to industrial. And they kind of push the boundaries when it comes to powder coating. They try different kinds of things. They put powder, pearls and flakes and whatnot into their powder coats as well. They'll try and push the boundaries of uniqueness, which is really cool. Originally this is a Comet pedal car from the 40s, 50s and it's just been modified now. It's still got the same basic shape, it's just been lowered, seat raised so that it can adjust with suspension, so it does raise and lower as you pull the shift knob and turn the key and it will hold it into place, so you can actually, it won't pedal unless it's raised. So at the moment it's at show stance. So with the suspension, I left all of the pedal bits and pieces the same. I've just cut and shut all the rods so they're a little bit lower and then cut the seat so the wheels can actually sit up into the seat channel, so they actually pretty much near up next to the seat themselves where the ride height is. And then when the car actually does raise, it'll raise to about yay high and she'll pedal along full lowrider spec. Buying a ticket for this pedal car is really simple. It's either at the show over the 15th and the 16th, the WA Hot Rod and Street Machine show. You can buy them there, and other than that, tickets will be on sale just by using the BSB and account number on my page, Rachael Durbz or Durbz Customs. Just follow the write-up on that and you'll be able to purchase any amount of tickets you want from that. It's $20 per ticket. Buy as many as you want. It's pretty much a donation really, like for a good cause, and then you can also get this at the same time. So it's like, yeah, double bagger. All of the money from the pedal car goes to Oxitec. There's nothing, I'm not keeping a cent. It's literally, I chose to do this to donate to great people, and you know, just, it may not go to rebuilding their workshop because I'm pretty sure insurance will take care of that, but you know, through the heartache and you know, all pushing through Christmas that they pushed through to rebuild quickly for all the guys that lost some stuff during the Summernats, all those entrants. They've done a lot of stuff for everybody, so it's just my way of saying thanks for someone in the industry really. I'd really like to thank for the people for helping out in this pedal car and donating their time and their bits and pieces. We've got custom chrome, they're doing all the re-chroming, so this is just the stand-in chrome at the moment. It will be a lot sparklier than this. Jogo from the upholstery and Deluxe Creations with the shift knobs and little bits and pieces. Also Mark Happy Williams for helping me along the way and my sanity. Thanks. So the products I've used on the pedal car, which are pretty much the products I stand by and I love more than anything. Number one, House of Colour. They're all the colours that are making it pop, and they're just the clear, just perfect. FPS tapes, can't do this job without using FPS tapes. All kinds of shapes and sizes, as you can see. And also tropical glitz for the flake, different kinds of flake and the most bling you can get. So that's the most important poppy part of this. So we're really grateful for all those awesome products. Thanks heaps.